there. Excuse that. Hey there, everyone. This is my grandparents' furnace, on my mom's side's furnace, and it's basically like a green color with like a gray color, green with gray color, and it's an old Payne. My grandpa mentioned this heater was from like the early 40s. It's been working great, and it has a standing pilot, as you can see. Boy, this one big heater's a behemoth. I think toward behemoth, that means it's really toughly built. And I'm gonna ask my grandparents to see if they can like get a view of this cabinet off, the front door off. So pause. Well, the front panel's off, and here's the interior view. There's the pilot and 4 burners. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll let you get by.
You can move the rat trap out of the way.
Well, the rat trap isn't in my way. Here's the blower fan of this big thing. This is a blower door, apparently. And that is basically the fan. Looks like it's made, the motor's made by Emerson. Division. Boy, this thing is an oldie. There's the ducts. It heats both of the stories of my grandparents' house. And there's the water heater. It's and to try and get you a good view of the burners, there's a pilot. And the burner tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's a blow fan color. There's the burner. Then there's the heater front cover.
I don't think I want to mess with this one.
That's it for the games at my grandparents' place. So, yeah.
Can I get out?